Hi guys, my new travel buddy just arrived. Got here the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the silver model. Let's see what's in the box. As someone who frequently travels and enjoys making shorts, reels, videos like that, using just the phone in my pocket, I think this is a really good option. I don't know, maybe the best option currently on the market available. Who knows? Reasons why I say this, by now almost everyone knows the new upgrades that this phone has. New and improved telephoto camera, 48 megapixels, the new and improved battery, the thermal cooling that Apple implemented with this phone with the vapor chamber. I think it's a really good option for creating travel content, at least for me. The silver color is also nice. Really like how it looks in person. Not really a big fan of the orange one. Blue is also nice, but yeah, I think the silver looks cleaner. If we look at it side by side with the 16 Pro Max, the natural titanium one, I'll be honest with you, I think that color looks better. I really liked that natural titanium color that Apple did for that phone. But yeah, what are you gonna do? The feeling in the hand is quite good, similar to the previous model, maybe a bit smoother because of the more rounded edges in comparison with the 16 Pro Max. But all in all, both are quite good in while holding them. So yeah, really looking forward to the awesome zoom that the new phone has to offer, the improved battery life, the improved thermal efficiency. Looking forward to using it day in and day out, also while traveling, creating new content with it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one.